Hello, good morning. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. As usual, हम लोग आज स्टॉक शो की पूरा सेटअप देखेंगे and see how it is going to help everybody. I am going to mix it with English, Hindi and Bengali যাতে সবাই এটা বুঝতে পারে। সো আমাদের যে নর্মাল সেটআপ টাটা স্টিল আমি স্টকটা চুজ করেছি। নাও বিফোর দ্যাট আই উড লাইক টু টক অ্যাবাউট নিফটি অ্যান্ড ব্যাঙ্ক নিফটি ইন দি কামিং উইক is in a make or break level. So therefore, at least on Monday and Tuesday, you have to be very careful. And যদি ট্রেড না করতে হয় করব না, কিন্তু ট্রেন্ড সেটআপ ট্রেন্ড ধরলে you can follow the particular trend and then start making money. So there has to be a very big change that is coming up. These are very critical astro dates, critical time cycle, Gann cycle. So therefore, big changes are big changes are coming in both Nifty and Bank Nifty in either side. दोनों साइड में आपकी हो सकता है. So therefore, एटाके देखे ट्रेड करते हैं. ठीक है. So with this setup, let me explain the stock show setup. Now the stock show setup में ना ये this is a naked chart. Which is very difficult to read, and this is a 5-minute chart. So let me switch on our stock show setup. Once you add the stock, these are the two setup that you get with our stock show setup. This is a packaged product. Now once you switch it on, you can see these beautiful X diamond that is coming up, and it is coming up in the right place. So therefore, this is the place where actually you got a double X cross, and you have a beautiful candle, black candle here, and you could have taken a short trade. Now at this level, if you have got a diamond, this is where you are actually getting an alert, and then once the Nikala is satisfied, this is where the Nikala has been satisfied, and then once Nikala is satisfied, you have no reason to not to short. This is this is where you get double diamond. So therefore, stock has moved from this particular level, this is the level, and then 691 you could have write it down, you could have taken a trade of 3 rupees in Tata Steel, and Tata Steel is 1200 rupees lot, so you could have made 6,000 3,600. Now again you can take this ride, and then you got this time you got a diamond here. You see a diamond here. This is the diamond. Now in this diamond, this particular diamond I am talking about. Now ये diamond जब मिलेगा ना, diamond is rare piece. So therefore, once you get a diamond, your Nikala is satisfied, and this is where again you could have shorted. And এখানে দেখুন, এখান থেকে 688 থেকে stock has come down to 680. That means you could have taken out of this 8 rupees, even if you got 5 rupees, it's a 6,000 rupees profit. So therefore, this is how we actually trade. And we have a rule. Nikala rule is the dominant rule. You have all the conditions are satisfied in this particular place. And also your stock show, at this particular level, our trend was very strong. What was the trend? It was the downtrend. So the black line was rising very fast, and this is where এই জায়গাটা কিন্তু ব্ল্যাক লাইনটা উইক হয়ে গেছে, এবং এইটা উইক হয়ে যাওয়ার ফলে আমরা এখানে এন্ট্রি করেছি, এখানে এক্সিট করেছি। Now with these are the two setup you get with our stock show, and then you also would be needing, you'd recommend to use this particular, this is a separate indicator which is actually supplemented to increase your money. Now in this particular indicator you actually get, so you have the trend, you have confirmation. See how you are going to trade. Now at this particular level, you have this particular indicator. Let me explain what is there in this indicator. So in this indicator you have 5 minutes RSI, then 15 minutes and 1 hour. You can see it in one chart. With you can set it, Tata Steel, let's say. So therefore what we would say, we need a metal index, right? So we will just type metal, and in the metal index, Nifty metal, it will give. Okay, and you can adjust your time frame here. Okay, so we don't have to do any other thing. So what is happening is, at this particular level, your metal index is actually, metal index was here. So at this level your metal index was going downward. Okay, and then if the index is going downward and then your stock is going downward, so you have a greater reliability that you are not taking a contra trade, you are moving with the flow. Okay, so this is an indicator which is very helpful with our system. Okay, and you can mix it with the trend, and you can perform a very good trade, because here your money is very important. So therefore you need extra confirmation, because these are what are the confirmations we get. हम लोग ना ये 6 एंगल से इन लोगों को देखता है. क्या है? टाइम, प्राइस पैटर्न, देन वोलाटिलिटी, मोमेंटम, टाइम एंड सेंटीमेंट. ये 6 डायमेंशनल एंगल से हम लोगों को स्टॉक को ट्रेड करना है. नहीं तो सिंगल कन्फर्मेशन और डबल कन्फर्मेशन में ना, उसमें भी थोड़ा डाउट रह जाता है, क्योंकि द बिग प्लेयर्स आर प्लेइंग इन द मार्केट. ओके, so this is all about our setup. So you get these two setup with our primary package. So we will come to that later on. Now the very good news is, now we have developed a system here. This is just stock show fractals and stock show shape and father son strategy. So this setup is now up for sale, and this is a very expensive setup. But with this setup, if you can deploy your money, you can I bet that you can recover your money very fast. First, let me explain what is this setup, what it is special about it. Okay, so as usual we will switch on. This is a bank nifty chart, so therefore we will switch on the stock show setup. But then this setup is a very unusual setup. You see, you had this setup here. This is a different setup. This is a very advanced setup, and it is very easy to use. Now what it does is, this particular setup, you see the small candle out of our normal candle. Normal candles are black and green and red, whereas this light blue candles are Heikin-Ashi candles. These are all embedded in one particular indicator. It has been embedded, so that whenever all of us know that whenever the size of the Heikin-Ashi is changing, that means the trend speed is coming down, and then once it turns from changes its color, actually trend changes are triggered. Okay, so how we are trading with this particular setup. We also with this particular setup, we use two setups together, 3 setups rather. These are the 3 setups. What setup? First of all, okay, let me explain it a little bit. Now at this particular level, if you see, a bank nifty was in sideways, right? So I will switch on our mother setup with a little bit of change. Now at this particular level, if you look at our mother setup, look at our mother setup, it is also sideways, and these plus signs indicate that you are having a volatility squeeze, that is Bollinger Band squeeze. So therefore we will not do anything. So whenever this color has changed, see this signal has been given so much in advance that whenever the color has started changing, let us see the previous color. Previous color was blue. and then it has turned into green. So therefore it has now started giving you a signal in advance that within the next 2-3 candles or 4 candles, there has to be there is going to be a big move. And before that, the big move signal was also given here, this bar, gray bar. So you are cautious. So whenever it has started rising, you see this has started rising. Whenever this particular, you see, this is where it has started rising. So it actually gives you an early signal. Your Heikin-Ashi color has changed. Still that trade setup has not yet confirmed. Okay. So what is happening is, we will also switch on the fractals. Fractal is is a product of Bill Williams. So Bill Williams factors. So let us see what is also it is saying. This, we are forming higher high, higher low. These are signals, higher high, higher low. So therefore, whenever higher high, higher low means you are actually your stock is moving in a trend is going up. Okay, low এখান থেকে এখানে higher low, তার মানে এই low থেকে এই low higher. So higher low formation, it has already started giving me a signal. Within the Bollinger Band squeeze, it is falling by higher low. So I am very, very happy. I am just waiting. I am not taking any trade. At what point of time I should trade? Now at this particular level, Heikin-Ashi has actually changed its color, which means now move is going to come. So therefore, whenever this particular, if you look at the size of the candle, slowly the candle size is increasing, and our Nikkei is also satisfied. So I would enter in a trade at this particular level. Okay, we have a setup rule, so don't worry about it. We normally explain, and this is the setup which is used by big guys. So here at this particular level, we will be taking a Bank Nifty call. So you will be getting it at the cheapest price. Once this is done, and once this is rising, it has started rising, because you cannot go wrong. You have a higher low formation, and then you have a change in Heikin-Ashi, you have a Nikkei satisfaction, the Nikkei rule satisfied. Even if the red candle really don't bother, because your Heikin-Ashi has changed color. So you, from this particular level where Bank Nifty was at 835, it has non-stop gone to 36,200. So at this level, your Bank Nifty was 35,833. So from, let's say, 850, that means 150 plus your this particular level, 150 plus 200, that is, you can get a 350 points move in Bank Nifty, and one lot of Bank Nifty would cost you here about 3,000-4,000 rupees, and which has moved up to value would be 8,000 rupees, 8,000-9,000 in one trade. And what your investment? Your investment is 4,000, 5,000. So therefore, this is how we also do option trading. And at this particular level, this is not the level where we should exit, because although this is our special candle, we will not exit. Why? Because here because here you have a higher low confirmation. So therefore, I do not have a confirmation at this part. This is the level where you have, you see very, very closely, you have a higher high formation. So the moment you have a higher high formation, and you got a you got a negative candle here, this is as per Bill Williams theory. You should exit your position, and you see, this is where you get a negative negative trend. So your trend from red line, your RSI is telling you red, and then it has started bending. So therefore, this is where I should book my profit. So therefore, you can, from this particular level, you can write so much that you can optimize your return. Okay. So then what has happened is, see, I am trading in only one lot. Okay, so at this particular level I left my trade. Fantastic. So therefore again you start, your Nicola is going parallel, so I don't do anything. Now this time your Heikin Ashi color has turned into a black. That means now our short trade might trigger. Okay, now it is not short at this particular level. Why? Because the price has not gone below Kumo. Okay, so I will only trade based on this once the price closes below Kumo and I have a Nicola. Okay, Nicola is our mother rule. So after this, what has happened? Price is not able to break Kumo, right? Which means what? Market is bullish. It is a small correction. I will not do anything. So I will only trade on upward slope or downward slope. My slope was flat, so this is not an entry. So therefore, at this particular level, once again from the black color, Heikin Ashi has changed into blue here. You see, and the price has settled above the Kumo. Your Nicola is satisfied at this particular level. You see, so therefore, if the Nicola is satisfied even at this particular level, then what happened? I have the fourth confirmation at this, but we were here. So at this particular level, you have a crossover here. So and crossover with a yellow signal. So visually, you don't have to even analyze those things. If you are accustomed with this system, then whenever you are traveling, whenever you are getting this signal, just you have to validate: is it rising? Yes. Is it rising? Yes. Nicola satisfied? Yes. And is the price above Kumo? Yes. Then you don't have to do anything. You can take a call here again, and here the price level was 36,187, and then 36,187. Whenever this is actually turning below this line, you could have sold your position even at this at this level. Why? Because either here or here, whatever it is, because Nifty has Bank Nifty has run a lot, so therefore I will, in the second leg, my greed for making money would be little bit less. And here you will be constantly getting a signal how it is positioned, what is the Bank Nifty condition at this particular level. This is dynamic, so therefore it is actually showing here at this level. So this signal also gives you that whether it is 5 minutes is bullish, 15 minutes is sideways, 30 minutes bullish, 60 minutes sideways. So therefore financial institutions, these are the signals, whether I will be doing a short trade or long trade. So Bank Nifty is something that you always do it for intraday. Most of the things you do it on intraday. So therefore you don't do all the trades, right? So at this particular level, if you look at now, Heikin Ashi again has changed color. See how many opportunity you will get. Heikin Ashi has changed color. I don't do anything. Now here comes the these are and I will also tell you that these lines are actually the dynamic support resistance line. Okay, and these support resistance lines are all given here. Okay, when I am at this particular level, my previous support was at this particular level. You see the fractal lines here. You get certain numbers here. So therefore my resistance was at 36,189, and my support is the red line at this particular level, 36,111. So therefore 189 to 111 is very short. So therefore I should be trading cautiously. These are all informations that is get, and I always trade on visual things. So here your Nicola rule is satisfied. Again, if your Nicola rule is satisfied, you can take a short trade. Why? Because this is also going down. Our price, the particular slope is also going down. So at what time I should sell? I will not sell it here. Okay, if you are experienced, you can sell it here, but I will sell at this particular level. This particular level, why at this candle? Because this candle has crossed this Kumo. This candle has also broken what? at this particular candle actually is a tradable candle, because this is where my price has moved out of Kumo. I have Nicola rule satisfied. Okay, if you look at this, almost satisfied, this is not satisfied. That's what I am saying. This is an experienced trader versus your advanced trading. Advanced trading I would not recommend. For a safe trader, here Nicola rule is satisfied, price is outside the Kumo. Really doesn't matter, because this is a probable support. But looking at the slope, you don't have to their support and resistance are there, but you don't have to look at in every level. But this is a strong support level. Even if it is a strong support level, if you could have taken here at this level 36,168, and then you could have got it at this level 120 112. So therefore this 112 versus you could have get 50 points here easily. And then the green dot lines, these are all very strong support lines. So therefore I will not trade, I will just move out. I will not want to even catch this move. So therefore this is how you actually that empowers you to do big trading. Now you see, this is where you could have you get lot of signals. These are all significant signals that actually gives you an ability to trade only with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even then it is good. Okay, so we have also got certain scanners. Excuse me. So these are all separately priced. See, for example, this scanner, you can always change the time frame. This is a 5 minutes time frame. You can always change the time frame, and depending on what kind of trader you are, intraday trader or swing trading. I use intraday trading because of this. Okay, and then this is the lightning move. What is the lightning move? Whenever you get this kind of bar, these are all called lightning moves. That actually gives you a big signal. Okay, so therefore this lightning move, let's say what has happened with HDFC Bank. Okay, these skinners you will get separately. I will come to the pricing later on, and let us look at HDFC now. Now HDFC in the 5 minutes, if you look at, HDFC has also given a beautiful run, right? So therefore here again the color has changed, and then you have an X candle, and then once it goes out of Kumo, you could have taken a trade, and you could have taken a ride, big ride. Then again, you at every stage, these scanners, this setup will start giving you information. You don't have to collect any information whatsoever. Okay, so if you look at this particular line, here again it is showing higher low. Higher low means I am on the bullish side. So therefore it is not happening bullish. I will not take the trade because I want a slope to ride. These are, and if you look at look at these lines, from this particular level, these are all this small dot sign means even visually I can see that it's a squeeze. From this area to this area is a squeeze area, right? I am seeing Bollinger Band squeeze. I will not trade. Okay, it's not that I have to take every trade. Now what is happening? You could have taken a short trade. How I am going to do it? My Heikin color has changed. Fantastic. Has my price gone below Kumo? Yes. Okay, now then has my Nicola satisfied at this particular level? Yes. So therefore I have an X diamond. Yes. So therefore here you can safely, even if you have taken, you could have waited for this particular red line. This is the line, this line I am talking about. Now this is the line, this is a support support line. Let it be broken, no problem. Once this is broken, actually the support line, there is no reason why the support line would not be broken, because in this particular case this support line, I have a confirmation called this is a Nicola is satisfied at this particular level, and the slope has been satisfied particular level. So you can take anywhere, and in fact now let's remove, there are a lot of lines, so therefore it will be easy for you to if I delete remove drawing, then these are all automatic things that are happening. So here at this particular level, again you have a special candle confirmation here, downward candle. So why there are so many special things? Because we always evaluate the trade based on different kind of dimensions. So if you look at, if I apply stochastics, RSI and MACD, really these are all same category things. So therefore only for measuring speed you can choose any one, but adding three indicators of the same class will not make your trade stronger. So we want something that which can through which you can really make money, and with a 6-dimensional setup, so that the possibility of going the trade, possibility of doing a wrong trade is being minimized. Okay, now, so at this particular level you could have shorted, and where HDFC price is 1587, it has reached to, it's a big drop, 1587, so 87 rupees, and it's a very big move, and we are not out of the trade. Okay, so here actually your factors are telling that you should be remaining in the trade, but we do not do fully blank trade. So if you look at our lightning call, we have a diamond setup here, HDFC can lightning, on as well as this momentum setup. So therefore if you look at our setup, HDFC call has the lightning signal been given? Yes, because this is the bar, gray bar. Has the diamond, X diamond you have got? Yes, this is I have got X. And have you got a X diamond? Yes, flag diamond. So therefore HDFC is colossally bullish at this particular level, but then again we would not like to carry the trade, and it has also just gone out of the Kumo. Yes, it has gone out of the Kumo, and then has the Heikin Ashi color changed? Yes. So therefore why should not I take the trade? So therefore if I take the trade, my first target would be this particular line, 1590. So if you are selling in options or future, even 2-3 rupees is good enough. I am saying this is a very big move that is coming up now on Monday. Whether it will be downward or upward, I do not know, because I don't want to guess. And here all the lines are satisfied here, and it could so happen that it has reached to the red line, so therefore it can turn negative also. So therefore overnight changes we cannot predict, and we don't predict, we only trade as per market conditions. Okay, so this is, friends, are the setups which are very valuable setups. Now let me come to the products. Now we have 2, 3, 4 products, 4, 5 products. The our basic course, that is your stock show, this particular setup with the stock show setup and golden guide, that covers your mindset training, key candlestick pattern. Then you will get these 2 setups with our handbook, trading rule, and this is a 3-day course, and you don't have to you don't have to be a knowledgeable person, because everybody can read. Whatever trade we do, we can read these signals, and these if we practice it for 2 days, you will become a master. You don't have to get into anything whatsoever. Now if supposing you are not, I do not see these Heikin Ashi candles every time. What I do is I just go to stocks or product, and then I just switch off Heikin Ashi, whichever is not required, because Heikin Ashi is required when there is a sideways. Okay, when there is a sideways, I can always switch off any indicator, and therefore here at this particular level, if I want to switch off 2-3 lines, you can do that. It is your options, and then therefore you can easily trade. So it depends on different kind of trader. That's the reason the facility we have created. Even I personally now, once you are accustomed to this now, so therefore you should know, you will be knowing that what are the things I should ignore and what are the things I should not ignore. So therefore, reducing these particular lines is no problem, but these are all very, very important lines which cannot be missed. Like, the formations that these are given. Now, these are fractals. Fractals you will not get in every setup. So this is where you are getting, fractals. This is where you have got a fractal here. So whenever there is a fractal, and it satisfies, the fractals are, arranged in such a manner that Billy Williams theory is satisfied, and once that is done, you see the down move has been arrested, so it is actually signaling you an up move, and we will use our signal then to write the trade. Okay, this is how it has been designed. Okay, so we have another this cost will you 30 this will cost you 30,000 rupees, and another option trading. This is where you really need less money, and you don't have to do anything. Only if use our setup, and and we don't trade. We don't teach Greek, alpha, theta, volatility, implied volatility, gamma, open interest. These are the things even I don't understand. So therefore, I only understand how to make money and how to make money with visual loop. So after our option trading course, it will cost you 55,000. And then we have a master Fibonacci course where everything, whole world is running in Fibonacci, and this is a 1 month course which will give you a core concept. We don't deal with other kitchen type of concept, only core concept. Few things I will be knowing, 3, 4, 5 things, and that is good enough for me to even mint money for life. And these softwares will be there with you for lifetime. And these are this is as universal as ABCD. ABCD will never change. So therefore, these rules will never change. Along with Fibonacci, we teach you Bollinger Bands and volatilities, and we have a course where we also teach gap up, gap down. So these are different courses. If you are confused, then you can call me, and then I will evaluate you so that I can suggest you what is the course that you are going to take. Now, this is a very interesting thing. This is our highest selling product, the bull trap and bear trap, because at this particular level, how will you know at this particular level your when you are here, let's say in a bank nifty, right? So when you are here, I will buy a call at this price. How will you know around this price, this red line? How will you know in advance when you are here? You cannot see the future one. That so therefore, if you take a long distant call, it will be cheap. How will you know at this level stock is going to reverse from here? This will be determined by here only. It's a very, very important thing, and this is don't think that it is 50,000, so I will not afford. And because you can at least even our students they can recover within 7-8 trades. So it is such a easy thing, and if you know that stock has to go here, so therefore these are all mathematical calculation minded, and you will be knowing it in advance that if you started the journey here, I will be taking this particular trade around this level, so you will be getting at the cheapest price. I am not buying at the money call. Here the call value will be very expensive, but here the call value will not be expensive. So this is how you can trade. You can trade, and at the same time, how will you know the stock will be reversing from this particular level? Because when you reach here, I will be shorting, but shall be shorting at what is the distance I am seeing? My distance would be this. So therefore, at this level, your put value will be cheap. So therefore, you can make money simultaneously. Now coming to our setup, this particular setup, this is costing you 75,000. For first 5 students, we have given to Guben for 60,000, and then our price has increased. General price is 75,000. Okay, you get with this 75,000, you get all these 3. This is a price product, stock show fractals, and either this multi-dimensional thing, so that you can look, even if you are traveling, if you are working in office, you can always trade, because you know it visually, right? You don't have to calculate anything. Visual मिला, satisfy मिला, ये 4 condition मिला तो मैं आँख बंद करके trade करूँ. Okay, this is how it is structured. So our stock source, other than that, this particular this particular your indicator, that would cost you 20,000 rupees, and if you are a student, then it is discounted at 10,000 rupees. Okay, the lightning scanner means this, I exactly know what will be the move. So these two scanners, you know, each one of you each one would cost you 10,000 rupees for our students. Explosive scanner is 20,000, the red one, because this is where you get quick money. Okay, so this will cost you 20,000, and otherwise for guys who are not our students, we sell it for 30,000. Diamond scanner 10,000 rupees, the stock show one, and the multi-time time frame RSI is your 10,000 rupees scanner. Okay, this will be costing you 10,000 rupees. So this scanner, this is 20,000 rupees, this is 10,000 rupees, X diamond scanner, which I have already explained, and this entire setup without scanner, of course, entire setup you will get stock show fractal, stock shows stock show 7 setup, and this multi-frame RSI all together would cost you 75,000 rupees. Okay, so dear friends, that's all from my side. So next next week, do not trade in haste. There are lot of financial astrology date this is coming up. I don't want to discuss all these things. Only thing is your bank nifty and bank nifty, that means the entire stock market will experience big moves. So therefore trade with cautions. This is CA Swarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck signing up. Thank you.